Guys, we got a 2017 Subaru STI that we're working today. It's a sedan version, okay? And we're going to be doing the front side markers, okay? So it's going to be these ones right here. I'll show you how the original ones are. As you can see, it's barely even on. That's the OEM stock halogen bulb. And we're going to be using our T10s, okay? So I already taken apart the passenger side. Okay, so to actually get to it, let me just show you how it looks real quick. See if you can see that. Okay, so that's gonna be the T10, all right? So right now it's just hanging in there because we're just making sure that it actually lights up. But the way you're gonna get to it, there's two ways. One, if you have small arms, you can actually remove the intake part that goes here, and it should allow you to go through here and snake your way in and get it all the way the far back over here. But if you want an easier way, less struggle, just make sure you turn your wheel inwards depending on which side you're starting off, and it's going to be held on by one plastic push clip here. You literally got to push this like a little dot in the center. You push it in and it allows you to pull it out. And there's going to be a normal trim clip that's going to be under here. Okay, so once you remove that, you can pull back the liner like that. And right where the light is shining, that's where you want to go into, okay? It's going to be kind of hard to get the camera in there, but it's back there, trust me. Okay, so all you're going to do now at this point is that, since you can see we already replaced the light, we're going to turn off the power and then finish the installation, okay? And it's going to be the same process for the other side. So give me 1 second, let me shut that down and I'll lock it in place and show you how it looks. So the bulbs have been installed, and there you go. So this is our LED T10. It's an amber color, so you can see this one's very noticeable. I'll show you how the halogen looks like. Okay, that's the halogen bulb right there. Okay, you really gotta like look for it so you can actually notice it compared to the new LED. You kind of see it glowing from a pretty good distance compared to the other one, and it actually fills up the square a little bit more better too. So pretty much you're gonna be doing the same process for the driver's side, and that's pretty much what you're gonna need. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.